Dude, we look like Pretty Little Liars opening. Shh. Oh.
I don't watch that show.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Shh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and I'm with my roomies today. And so if you guys remember Megan, she was in my other challenge video. And this is Camille.
Hey guys.
And this is Jara. Hi. So I've been seeing this type of video all over YouTube. It's basically a challenge where you recreate other people's Instagram photos. And I wanted to recreate my roomie's Instagram photos.
Oh no.
Wait, seriously? Yeah. Without further ado, let's get on to the video. So the first, I guess not victim, but first roomie is Jara.
Oh god.
It was kind of hard to choose a photo, but I tried my best.
Selfies.
Like usually places in Rome and Paris, so I'm like, I'm not gonna go there for the picture. Oh. And this is the photo that I recreated. I'm trying to create Jara's picture. She was hiking and I didn't know which location exactly where she's hiking. In her picture, she was holding a dandelion, so I'm looking for a dandelion. And the second thing, I need to find a location that looks really similar to her hiking location. As of right now, I'm not in a hiking location at all. In her picture, she was wearing a hat, a black hat, and a black shirt. And actually, this is the black shirt she's letting me borrow for a headshot that I had to do, but it's okay, which is super fitting because I needed a black shirt for her photo. And I'm wearing a black backpack because she was hiking.
Dead dandelions.
Oh man, these are like dead. She got a full one. I see that one. Yes, got the dandelion.
Cover it from the wind.
I know.
Spot on.
Did you just borrow her hat? No, I pushed. Oh my god!
Oh, that's so cute. You look like the same person.
Yeah. Whoa, that's so good. I got the dandelion.
The same dandelion.
Where is that? Is that her school? That's like the intersection before school, like the four-way intersection.
Oh my god! Is that why you wanted a
God.
black shirt?
No, it's for the headshot, but like I didn't return the shirt back.
Oh my god! Wow, that's so good.
That's so cute. Oh my god. Thank you. Wow. Yeah, it was so hard to find like bushes like that.
Wow. Where do you find the dandelion?
Where did you find someone's lawn? You just
picked it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Dude, that effort. I love it.
Thank you.
Wow. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
You guys aren't even ready.
So you're not ready for the next one.
Wait, is this still Jara?
No, it's gonna be one of each of you.
Oh no.
This is,
okay.
Yeah.
So the next one is Camille.
I'm just curious. Is it?
I recreated one of your photos. I'm scared. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm trying to recreate Camille's picture. I believe she took a selfie in front of a white wall during golden hour because her highlight was popping. So I waited a couple hours for the sun to be golden. Now I'm on the hunt to look for a white wall for me to take a picture in front of. So wish me luck. We found this garage door. It looks pretty similar to hers and the lighting looks nice. So hopefully I can get away with this and let's see how it goes.
I don't believe you. You ain't been loving me. To the birds that I'm on, I can't forget to bring a check of rap up in cause you wanted to.
Wait, the highlight. What? Oh my god, no! I tried so hard.
Wait, Jess, you look like Camille.
I tried so hard.
The highlight,
dude, the color. Oh my god.
The angle of the necklace.
I took it at golden hour.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow.
Is this your garage?
No, this is actually the garage by like the sisters. Like place.
Oh, the sister.
You took it at the sister.
How'd you find the same lip color?
Oh, I like chose the closest thing I had and then like I edited it.
It's almost the same.
Wow.
Your faces look the same.
I know, you got the same facial expression, you know.
It was so hard.
Like dazing eyes.
And like, you know how my hair part is not that way? So I had to like part my hair.
Wow, I like it.
I didn't have a long sleeve either, so I had to just
It's okay, it works.
Yeah, you don't realize like how much it takes to like pose like the other person.
Like,
and everything.
Look the same.
Yeah. Shut up! I
twins, Jara.
Wow.
Oh my god.
And last but not least, Megan. I recreated one of your photos.
Megan Leanne. Which one?
They're all so good.
Okay, you ready?
No.
So the photo I'm recreating for Megan is her 21st birthday celebration at a taqueria near our school. I don't have that shirt, but since we're roommates, I have access to her closet 24/7. So I found the shirt that she's wearing, the exact same shirt. In the photo, she ordered 3 tacos, so I guess I'm gonna order 3 tacos, but it's her birthday at the moment and I don't have any candles, so let's see how this is gonna turn out. And the hard part with the photo is that we have different hair parts. I believe her hair part's on the right and I keep my part to the left. So I guess I have to change that prior to going in to get some tacos.
Don't wanna sing mad songs anymore. Only wanna sing yours. Yeah, you know your songs got me.
The candle. You have that shirt too?
How did you borrow it? No, I borrowed it. Megan, I live with you. I can get the shirt. I took it when you were like in the bathroom brushing your teeth.
Yeah.
And I was like, looking through your drawers, like, where is it? Where is it? And then
Oh my God.
I checked like your hanging thing, and then it's like, oh, it's right there. So
Wait,
like,
and then you just took it?
yeah.
You put it back? How long has it gone for?
I took it. Yeah, I have it in my bag still.
Really? Oh, you never noticed. I didn't even know it's gone.
Good. I was freaking out.
This is the shirt.
The shirt.
This is the shirt.
Wow.
It was Jara's shirt. And here's the black hat that was photoshopped.
That was photoshopped. I was wondering where this shirt went to. I was like, did I get it back from Jess or no? Wait, how'd you get the same candle? Did you Photoshop it?
Yeah.
Oh, you got tacos.
I got 3 tacos for you.
I was like, did you Photoshop the whole plate or just the candle?
Jess never gets 3 tacos when we go there. She always gets 2, and she's like, I'm gonna get 3 today. I'm like,
She
"You're not gonna
did it
finish."
for you.
She said, it's for the photo.
She did it for you.
Water.
Water.
And the sauce.
She got the sauce too. Wow, she even got this detail.
We got the plate. We asked for a plate.
Did you rearrange the back?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my god.
Wow.
When you said you're gonna have us react to something, I thought it was like try not to react to something cringy.
Or like
try to
not
like
cry.
Yeah.
I really thought we were gonna eat something.
We really didn't know what we were doing.
So what made you pick the photos that you picked?
Yeah. It was so hard.
Who's the hardest?
Really the easiest?
And the easiest.
Easiest? I feel like all of them were really hard.
Jara was the hardest.
Jars the hardest for sure.
Not in a bad way. It was
Not in a
just-
bad way. It's just
The
like
setting.
just the setting and
I took that on a hike.
Yeah.
At Muir Beach. Oh
and
my
like
gosh.
the recent photos, they're all on your vacation
Yeah, I don't.
in like Europe. So I was like, how could I recreate those?
I don't take a lot of pictures.
How does it feel to be recreated?
I feel like you paid attention to the detail.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
I felt like I was playing one of those spot the differences. Like how many differences can you spot?
Wow. I know how much we look alike.
That picture, you guys look like twins.
Yeah.
Feels so special.
Thank you.
You're
I didn't
welcome.
expect that. I
Cool.
didn't expect that.
We should do. We should recreate yours.
Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
react to it. That'd be fun.
If you're missing clothes, you know why.
I always lose
You
things.
can ask me to find it in the closet.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. And let me know if you guys want to watch them recreating my photos. So I hope you guys have a great day and see you next time. Bye!
Bye.